So we have Todd Hunter and Joe Kantz with North Shore Railroad. Want to thank you for being a board level investor in Focus Central Pennsylvania. So we just wanted to ask, what about the mission of Focus, which is to attract investment that cultivates economic growth in Central Pennsylvania, is important to North Shore Railroad?
Well, all business is local, and one of the things I always say is that in any business, you have business that falls, you lose. And so we're always trying to fill the funnel faster and get more business than that's disappearing. And investing in Focus allows us to continue that outreach, to keep filling the funnel, to keep the business growing in the area and sustaining what we do.
I would say that every area has strengths and has weaknesses. So part of the great attributes about Focus Central Pennsylvania is that we have someone advocating for our area to share with those businesses who are looking for a place to locate, to bring new jobs, to bring new industry, to bring new opportunities to not only the people that live there, but the local governments, the local school districts. We have Focus Central Pennsylvania as an advocate promoting our area to do those things. Without Focus Central Pennsylvania and an organization like it, there's really no one that's their, and I hate to say it, it sounds like a pun, but that's the sheer focus of what they do. Mm-hmm. So it's willy-nilly. It's, this person can say this and this person can say that. An organization like Focus Central Pennsylvania brings all of those attributes together and laser focuses on sharing that message with the businesses that need to hear that message.
And it's a market extender for what we do.
Great. Yes, well, thank you, Todd and Joe, for supporting the mission. Central Pennsylvania has incredible people and has an incredible story to tell, and investors like North Shore allow us to do that in a competitive, professional, and proactive way so that we are bringing good quality opportunities to our region. So thank you for that. And just lastly, is there anything that North Shore that you're working on for the next year or two that you're really excited about that's going to contribute to supporting smart economic growth in the region?
There's a lot of projects we're working on.
It could be a 4-hour program.
Yeah, this could be a long program. A lot of projects we're working on, good projects. It's what makes our job fun, is to see the growth. And there's projects we've recently completed, like Button Oil and Propane. There's other ones we're working on now, like Atlantic Scrap and Country View Family Farms and others. They're all significant projects. They're all good employers for the region. And it's, the rising tide lifts all boats is apropos here. We have a lot going on. So.
Yeah, and I would just share the thought, a number of years ago when one of our new customers came into being part of our community, we saw, this is just an example of how it works, we saw the local wages for people in that industry go from here to here. So while it was a little bit of a challenge for those that were in that industry that were already located here, it still bettered everyone's opportunity economically, financially for their families. And that's what economic development can do for an area. It can take everybody from this level to this level, and that's really what it's all about. We all want to make more money. We all want to better be equipped to help our families, whether it's their education or their future. And so, we get to be a part of that. And it might be a small part of it, but just going to bed every night knowing that we've been a part of something bigger and better than us is very rewarding. So that's
well said.
That's how Focus lets us be a part of that.
Great. Well, Todd and Joe, thank you so much, not only for your board level investment support in Focus Central Pennsylvania this year, but for the many years before that. This is a marathon, not a sprint. This is a long-term strategy. So we thank you for that and for being a key part of one of the comparative advantages in our region, and that is our incredible rail infrastructure and our incredible rail service. So thank you for that and much appreciated.
Thank you.